Welcome to Theology. Theology.
Hello guys, welcome back to Theology. Today is a sponsored video. This video is sponsored by White with Style. White with Style is a whitening teeth company. With this company, guys, I have been using this now for 2 days, and I do have a code for mine. My code is VEE. And also, guys, this is a $239 product. With my code, you would get it for $29.99. Okay, guys, what comes in this kit? The first thing is a 1 syringe 10 cc of 16% HP gel. It is good up to 10 treatments. The second item is your set of trays, followed by your LED light to activate the gel with batteries, and also your shade guide. So these are the items, guys. Bring 4 inches of water to a bowl. Remove from heat, let it sit for 6 minutes. Submerge the trays into the water. Put them in your mouth and do your compression by sucking in very hard. Remove your tray and put it in cold water for about 12 seconds. Okay guys, what is the color of my teeth in the beginning? So here I'm looking like I'm about a number 7. Place a small drop of gel into the teeth impressions of the tray. Repeat this on the top and the bottom tray. Place the LED light in front of your trays. This will activate the gel and whiten your teeth faster. Keep the tray in no more than 30 minutes. Yes, guys, I use this as my night routine of whitening my teeth. So here I am removing my makeup and waiting a few minutes for my teeth to really show what it's going to do before I show you my first treatment after. Guys, I have finished my face. I have also washed my trays and dried them out and store them in a Ziploc bag with a paper towel to keep them dry and sanitized. Now, guys, what I'm getting ready to do is I am getting ready to see what my results after the first one. So, guys, what number do you think I will be at? Yes, I'm not going to show you. Guys, I'm at a number 6. I started at a number 7, and currently, guys, I am a number 6. Hey guys, these are my teeth after my first treatment. And guys, please do not exceed more than one treatment per week. So guys, since I've been using this, I've gone from a shade 7 to a shade 6, and that is only in one. Yes, guys, one treatment, only one. So guys, I was thinking about getting my teeth professionally whitened by my dentist, and which if you Google that, guys, it is expensive. So I thought about doing the Crest whitening scripts, and I wanted something that would have very good and great reviews. After reviewing this product, and the company reached out and said, hey, we would like to work with you. So I was like, absolutely a perfect time, guys. So using this, I would say absolutely it is a total thumbs up. I'm seeing a difference after my first treatment, guys. Yes, my first treatment. So guys, if I was you, I would jump on this. And also remember, my code is V. All of the information for this company will be down below in my description box. And guys, until the next time, I'm out of here. Bye.
Subscribe, share, and thumbs up, y'all.
When you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen.